Hello, my name is Daniel Neely, and this is my Tableau project for GEB 4890, Strategic Management and Decision Making at USF. So this is a Tableau project that I did that all the data comes from a pre-prescribed sheet, and that sheet is all about airliners and different assets and statistics about airliners. So as you can see, this is a bar graph, and it shows all the assets and ROA assets, and American Airliners has the second largest, which is 223,245, and then Delta Airlines is the largest, followed by United Airlines and Southwest Airlines. The average is 44,607, and that's all profits. And JetBlue Airways is 41, and then the lowest is actually Allegiant, which is 9,361. So the next sheet is a line graph that actually shows more assets, and when you go over them, you can see which line is which. The green line is Delta Airlines in the year 2017, and the orange is American Airlines, and their average is 41,396, and so on. And then the last sheet is a scatter plot, and you can go over and see which airlines these are. And then the last part of this project is actually the dashboard, and this is fully interactive. When you click on it, you can actually see the change in all of these graphs. So this is American Airlines. So with the asset and the ROA measurements, it is 223,245 in the measurement, and then in the line graph, American Airlines at 2017, 51,396, and then the scatter plot is American Airlines, ticker is the AAL, and that's this little few letters right there signifying, and then that. Thank you.